So hi, everyone. My name is Sherman Crancer. I'm the president of the Crancer Group, and we specialize in helping Microsoft partners, create awareness and to teach and to help end user customers understand the latest and greatest technology concepts. We made a pivot, last Thursday actually, to create an initiative where it was free Microsoft trainings. So we provided this link to some of your partners. So I think from the United Way, you have a great partner in Atlanta that provided this link to you. So this is exclusive to some of the partners that we work with, and just send them a thank you note for it, because we're providing this gratis for everybody who is on the actual that been invited to the actual team. So I'm going to show you here as soon as it gets. Hold on a second. The agenda. So the agenda today, I'm going to just kind of tell you a little bit about who we are, why we're providing the free training. We're going to go through a whole Teams walkthrough. You're going to leave this, you're going to go from 2% knowledge of what Teams is all the way up to probably 30 or 40%. You're going to become a super user, and you're going to be able to show people like all the benefits. Is really going to be awesome. We're also going to talk about how we can help your organization specifically, or help you as a partner if you're on here as a partner. And then lastly, we will be providing a link to a survey, just kind of get some feedback from you. And please, we're doing this gratis. However, we want to make sure that we continue to be really effective, right, and really help you out. So please be honest with that, because we're not proud. We're here just to make sure that we can help out. So who we are. I spent about 5 years, the last 5 years at Microsoft, and with that being said, I spent, and I was managing partners, and I really got a great understanding of the partner channel and all the different software. And what we do here at the Crancer Group is we conduct these types of events. Typically, the events are actually in person, where we actually, have 10 people at a time. They sit down in an environment. We can go up to 20, and we walk them through not just Teams, but the whole productivity suite. So we're talking about Delve and Power BI and customer relationship management, and we kind of push that all the way through. And what we find is the folks that come to these customer immersion experience events have a lot of wow moments when they're kind of going through this. But what we also want to do is make this very interactive with you, because what we want to ensure is that we're helping you, we're addressing some of your concerns, some of your thoughts. So we want to go back and forth here. So we really want to be active on the Q&A function. Okay, so we're not doing this in person, so it's a little bit different, right? But these are kind of typically how we do this. So we provide these types of awareness trainings throughout the country, and we don't need that one yet. And that's really, what we want to do. And why we're doing this: COVID virus, people need to know how to work from home. We're happy to help out